You mixing, Mama? There you go. You making pancakes? Hmm?
Okay.
Yeah. Who you making them for? Who you making pancakes for? You making them for Mama?
No.
Who you making them for? You making them for Coda?
No.
No, you're making them for Mama, right? Hmm?
Okay.
Okay.
Yay.
Yeah, I guess so, huh? Alright. We're gonna try something new over here today. We're gonna try to set up shop so we can see the whole thing happen. Alright.
Woo.
Yeah. You doing your mixing? You do mix?
No.
Mix. Okay. Looks good. You did a good job. Yeah, you did a really good job. Okay. We're gonna cook this for Mom. Daddy has to do it though, okay?
Okay.
A little bit of butter. You gonna taste it?
Yeah.
You can taste it. Go nuts. Have fun. Have it. That's what they say. So, we need a spatula. I already used them all yesterday cooking. I'll get the big one. So mix it. Doing such a good job, Pumpkin. Okay, we got our spatula here. We're hoping for this to warm up a little bit. Butter. A lot of butter, but it's butter. Mom likes them crispy. Oh, you almost dumped it. Okay, we gotta get some syrup. Where's the syrup? Oh, here we go.
Yeah.
Syrup. Yeah. Syrup for a coffee mug. Warm it up. I'm gonna try to eat some. I don't know if that's the best idea. What do you think? There we go. Coffee from Mama. Here she comes. Oh, on the phone. Okay, here we go.
Oh.
Yeah, wow, huh?
Yeah, so I'll be sitting in the air conditioning, doing nothing.
Okay,
I took off
here we go. You taste it? Okay, here, you want to slide this way? Take this over here. Watch Daddy cook. Don't touch the stove, okay? Alright.
Alright, well have a good day.
We're gonna clean your
Alright,
off.
bye. Love you. Bye.
Say, Mama, look what we're doing for you.
Oh my goodness! Wow! Look at my big girl!
Oh.
Wow. Yeah, did you taste it? Is it any good?
Oh.
No, it's cooking. That's what that does.
Oh.
Wow, huh? Want to get a little closer so you don't fall on your head? Right, good idea, huh? There you go. Hey.
Chef it up.
Say cheese.
Cheese!
There you go. Daddy's making a
Yay!
mess too. No, it's,
Just water the water better.
yep.
Um,
Is it good? I can't see it being too good. You can eat the whole thing, huh? Okay, ready? I think it's time. Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
oh.
Wow, huh? You know how you make it extra crispy on the edges? You butter again. Boom. You gotta wrap it around all the way around it.
Oh.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh. Wow.
Wow.
Whoa.
Yep, and here we have your fan. Here we go. Turn it down a little bit so the middle gets cooked. Whoa! Yeah, crazy, huh? Alright, now we gotta get a plate for her. Well, we're gonna give her y'all can't take it first, okay? And if she wants more, we can make her more. That's a pretty good one. Oh, did you flip more on? You did?
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cook it up a little bit more. Okay? Alright, we got the cinnamon. You laughing at? It's coming out really fast though, okay? Maybe you know what I can do? I'm gonna put your little grubby little hands on it. You give some to Mama. Alright? Okay. Alright. Looks like we're cooking here.
Oh!
Whoa!
Wow!
Awesome, huh?
Oh, God.
Look nice and quiet. I don't know if you should eat any more of that. What do you think? You all done?
No.
No? Okay, you like it? Alright. Suit yourself. Do you want to make a pancake later?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
Oh! Oh. Gee.
Alright.
Gee.
Looks like the coffee's done.
No.
Alright. You done mixing? Beautiful. Hmm? One more thing of butter because we like butter here. Ooh.
Wow!
Wow, huh?
Wow! Wow!
Okay, that's buttered up. There we go. Ready? Pour a little bit of syrup on just like that. Boom. You say boom? Boom. Alright. Okay. All done. Yeah? Okay, here, you want to put some cinnamon on? Come on, here we go. pinch. Do some? Okay, I'll Daddy will do it for you, okay?
Okay.
Okay. You want to taste it? Make sure it's okay? Go ahead. Is it good? What do you think? Is it yummy? Do you want to go help her eat it? Okay, come on. See. Do this. Put it underneath. And he picked you up. Oh. Okay. Let me say to the camera, say, Happy Mother's Day, Mama.